Working with Governor Uhunmwode Local administration to transform and build better economy, Uhunmwode Local Government Acting Chairman Honorable Benjamin Osa Iradia, the Revenue Department don organize one big training and seminar for the revenue staff, enforcers and contractors. The goal na to improve capacity, make sure say people dey follow the rules, make the revenue collection process stronger and increase the internally generated revenue IGR for the local government. The people wey tanda for the training come learn new techniques and better ways to help boost revenue as them dey make sure say everything dey transparent and accountable. Uhunmwode Acting Chairman Honorable Iradia still dey committed to build a better and more transparent revenue system wey go help the development of Uhunmwode Local Government and Edo State as a whole.
You don't have to be so violent, and in doing that, when people says why you are looking at somebody, watch your back so you not be stabbed. Now, the field workers, I want to put to us that even why the top management sent you out to carry out your obligation by giving out tickets. As I said earlier, we shouldn't be violent and we should look into the safety of our own being.
The Secretary to the Local Government Council, Honorable Nelson Gomez, for in part, come talk say,
today we had a training for our revenue collectors. Due to the happenings in Benin, we don't want our revenue because of the irresponsible persons. We are training them on professionalism, on how to collect revenue. We are training them on how to skillfully collect revenues. And we are also migrating from the normal analog to digital revenue collection. So hence this training.
I'm Betty, a training of this IGRO from Uhunmwode Local Government. So we appreciate our Acting Chairman and our HOD and the people that came from EROS for the training that they teach us today. I think it will make the revenue of Uhunmwode to go for a better place. Thanks to the Governor of Edo State, thanks to our Acting Chairman and also our HOD.
Make una no forget say, as we see them, and so we dey talk them, we need to take blame. From Uhunmwode Local Government area of Edo State, Ekata Ojisole reporting for TMC TV.